Hey guys, it's your buddy Caden. Your money should work for you, not just sit there. One of the best ways to do that is by creating something that earns money for you even when you're not around. For me, that's my financial course. Once I created it, people could click buy and start learning without me even being there. So I could be playing video games, doing karate, or even be sleeping, and my course is still working for me. That's the power of evergreen products. You put in the work once and it keeps bringing in income as long as people keep finding value in it. So it's not just about making money, it's about making money work for you no matter what you're doing. And remember, if Caden can, you can too.